So this is my 112 project. It's a game called Jewels vs. Dragons. So first we're going to look at, you can play single player or double player, but we're going to first show single player just to show some of the key features. These are the rules. So what you do is you want to remove the groups of like similarly colored gems. So we do that, you pass the level, you did a good job. And so when you remove the gems, you get a certain number of points, and then based on the points you get these power-ups. And so each of the power-ups can enable you to remove different different groups of gems. So the shield one, you can remove a cube, it doesn't matter if they're the same color. The sword one, you can remove a whole column. And this little starburst thing, you can remove a nice little X shape. So that's pretty cool. It helps, especially with some of the later levels when you have a lot of different colors, and if you get a bonus for clearing the whole screen, if you see that. And then, so we have this hint feature that finds the best move you can make at that moment and just kind of recommends it for you, so you can do that. So basically that's the game. It gets a little harder. Actually, in the next level, we're going to add, if we don't lose, that's what happens if you lose a life there. And if we don't lose a life, yes, okay. So if you don't lose a life, then you get to another level where we added some more colors, if you see. So that's how that works. So now we're going to try this. We're going to run the multiplayer version here. It's going to take just a second. You have to run the server file and then run, so you'll select 2 players. So then it's waiting because you have to get your next player going. Okay. So now we have this. So this is player 2. They have the same screen, but see, we have player 1 and player 2. It's kind of, they don't really both fit very well, but here. So this is player 2 screen, player 1. And so player 1 obviously starts, and so there, player 1. And so they keep track of their individual scores. The green is player 1 and the purple is player 2. But the first, whichever player's screen it is, goes first and above, so that's easier to see. We still have the same functionality with like the hint feature, clicking the power-ups. We can show this is going to remove it, and you'll notice it also removed it here. And so the thing about playing in multiplayer is that you kind of have to like work together but also against the other player, because you are obviously trying to get a higher score than them, but if they end up losing all of their lives, then the game is over. So you don't want to like mess them up too much, because then that'll end up messing you up too. And so yeah, you just kind of play through, and it's pretty fun. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks.